Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and thorough reviews of the latest and greatest in outdoor and sports gear. Today, we'll be diving into what we believe is the best folding bike stem on the market, the SENQI folding bike stem. If you're looking to upgrade your folding bike experience, stay tuned, as we break down everything you need to know about this fantastic product. First off, let's talk about what makes the SENQI folding bike stem stand out from the crowd. This adjustable stem is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet durable. If you're someone who values both performance and portability, you're going to love what this stem has to offer. The first feature worth mentioning is its quick-release mechanism. This allows you to easily adjust the height of your handlebars on the fly. Whether you're riding on rough terrain or just cruising through the city, you can find that perfect fit that suits your riding style. The quick-release feature ensures that no tools are needed for adjustments, making it user-friendly for both seasoned cyclists and beginners alike. Another significant aspect is the adjustable length. The SENQI stem measures 25.4 mm by 28.6 mm and boasts an extension of up to 460 mm. This means you can tailor the length to meet your specific riding posture and comfort level. The ability to customize the stem length is particularly beneficial for those who may share their bike with family or friends, as it can be easily adjusted to accommodate different heights and preferences. Now, let's talk about the design. The SENQI folding bike stem features a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that complements virtually any bike. Available in a classic black finish, it's not just functional but also stylish, allowing you to maintain the visual appeal of your folding bike. Moreover, the construction without teeth ensures a smooth transition between height adjustments, reducing the risk of damage or wear over time. Unlike traditional stems that often have locking teeth, the SENQI model promotes a clean and seamless functionality that does not compromise stability. In terms of user experience, the installation process is straightforward. You won't have to worry about complicated setups or instructions that leave you scratching your head. The stem fits securely into any compatible folding bike, providing a solid feel while riding. You can ride with confidence knowing your handlebar height is precisely where you want it, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic position. So, to summarize, the SENQI folding bike stem stands out as the best option for anyone in the market for a folding bike upgrade. With its lightweight aluminum construction, quick-release mechanism, adjustable length, and simple installation, this product checks all the boxes. It allows for greater comfort and ease of use, adapting to your unique cycling needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more insights on outdoor and sports gear. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the SENQI folding bike stem? Until next time, happy cycling!